Ribosomes. Ribosomes are the granular structures first observed under the electron microscope as dense particles by George Pollard in the year 1953. Ribosomes are also called engine of cell. Ribosomes are generally composed of ribonucleic acid, RNA, and proteins, and are not surrounded by any membrane. Except mammalian RBC, all living cells have ribosomes, like both prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Ribosomes are smallest cell organelles. Ribosomes are also called as organelle within the organelle and protein factory of cell. Ribosomes are smallest cell organelles in the cell. Ribosomes first observed by the scientist George Pollard. Ribosomes are composed of ribonucleic acid, RNA, and proteins. Ribosomes are non-membrane bound structures. Ribosomes are also called engine of cell or organelle within organelle and protein factory of cell. Types of ribosomes. Number 1. Eukaryotic ribosomes. Eukaryotic ribosomes are ATS type of ribosomes which are present in cytoplasm. Second one, prokaryotic ribosomes. Prokaryotic ribosomes are 70S ribosomes which are present in cytoplasm and associated with plasma membrane of prokaryotic cell. The size of ribosomes are 15 to 20 nanometers. 70S ribosomes also present in eukaryotic cell organelles like mitochondria and chloroplast. Here in ribosomal representation, S means Swedberg unit or sedimentation coefficient. It directly measures the density and size of ribosome. Eukaryotic ribosomes are ATS type, prokaryotic ribosomes are 70S type. The size of ribosomes are 15 to 20 nanometers. 70S ribosomes are also present in eukaryotic cell organelles like mitochondria and chloroplast. In chromosomal representation, S indicates Swedberg units or sedimentation coefficient, which is directly measures the density and size of ribosome. Each ribosome composed of two subunits. One is larger subunit and the second one is smaller subunit. For example, in ATS ribosomes, the larger subunit is 60S and smaller subunit is 40S. Like this, in 70S ribosome, larger subunit is 50S and smaller subunit is 30S. Magnesium ion is essential for the binding of these ribosomal subunits. Magnesium 2 plus form ionic bond with phosphate groups of rRNA of two subunits. Minimum 0.001 m magnesium 2 plus concentration is required for structural formation of ribosomes. Ribosomes are composed of two subunits, larger subunit and smaller subunit. In ATS ribosome, larger subunit is 60S, smaller subunit is 40S. In 70S ribosome, larger subunit is 50S, smaller subunit is 30S. Magnesium ions plays important role for the binding of these subunits. The minimum concentration of magnesium 2 plus ions for this binding is 0.001 mole. Chemical composition of ribosomes. 70S ribosomes composed with 60% rRNA and 40% proteins. But in case of ATS ribosomes, 40% rRNA, 60% proteins are present. Now, chemical composition of each subunit. In ATS ribosomes, the subunits are 60S and 40S. 60S subunit composed with 28S, 5.8S, 5S rRNA. 40S subunit composed of 18S rRNA. In 70S ribosome, the subunits are composed with, especially 50S subunit composed with 23S and 5S rRNA, 30S subunit composed with 16S rRNA. Let's see the diagrammatic representation of ribosomal subunits. How larger subunit, how smaller subunit are arranged. Check this diagram carefully for your better understanding. At the time of protein synthesis, several 70S ribosomes become attached to mRNA with the help of smaller subunits. This structure is called polyribosome or polysome or ergosome. Larger subunit contains peptidyl-transferase enzyme which helps in the formation of peptide bond during protein synthesis. This is an example of ribozyme. During protein synthesis, several ribosomes are attached to mRNA. This structure called polyribosomes or polysomes or ergosomes. The larger subunits of ribosomes contains peptidyl-transferase enzyme which helps in the formation of peptide bonds. This peptidyl-transferase is also called ribozyme. Remember, the enzyme ribozyme is present in the larger subunit of ribosome. Let's check the diagrammatic representation of ribosomes. 70S ribosomes, width is 210 angstroms, length is 290 angstroms. 80S ribosomes, width is 200 to 240 angstroms, length is 300 angstroms. See how polyribosomes are arranged with the help of mRNA. How magnesium 2 plus plays important role in the attachment or binding of two subunits of ribosomes. Let's check these diagrams carefully for your better understanding. Cytoskeleton, which is composed of microtubules, microfilaments and intermediate filaments. Cytoskeleton. Cytoskeleton is an elaborate network of filamentous proteinaceous structures present in the cytoplasm is collectively referred to as the cytoskeleton. The cytoskeleton in a cell are involved in many functions such as mechanical support, motility, maintenance of the shape of the cell. Cytoskeleton generally composed of microtubules, microfilaments and intermediate filaments. Cytoskeleton is an elaborate network of filamentous proteinaceous structures which are present in cytoplasm. Cytoskeleton are composed of microtubules, microfilaments and intermediate filaments. Cytoskeleton in a cell involved in many functions such as mechanical support, motility, maintaining the shape of the cell. Very first one, microtubules. Microtubules are composed of the protein tubulin. The size of microtubules are 25 nanometers. In plants, microtubules often found associated with cell wall. Probably these transport cell wall material from Golgi body to outside of cell. During cell division, these microtubules form spindle fibers. Microtubules are filamentous tubulin protein structures. The size of microtubules is approximately 25 nanometers. Generally, microtubules are associated with cell wall. Probably these are helps in transport of cell wall material from Golgi bodies to outside of cell. During cell division, these microtubules forms spindle fibers. Second one, microfilaments. Microfilaments are composed of contractile protein called actin, which concern with muscle contractions. Microtubules and microfilaments are part of cytoskeleton base of cell. Size is 6 to 7 nanometers. Microfilaments are composed with actin protein concerned with muscle contractions. The size of microfilaments are 6 to 7 nanometers. Intermediate filaments. Intermediate filaments has size or diameter in between microfilaments and microtubules. These filaments form basket-like structures around the nucleus. The size of intermediate filaments is 8 to 12 nanometers. Intermediate filaments diameter is in between microfilaments and microtubules. Intermediate filaments generally forms a basket-like structure around the nucleus. The size of intermediate filaments is 8 to 12 nanometers.